In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel your Webex subscription. If you've decided it's time to part ways with Webex, whether you're switching to another service or simply no longer need it, I'm here to make the cancellation process as straightforward as possible. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to webex.com. This is the main portal for managing your Webex account, so be sure you're logged into the account you wish to cancel. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials, that's your email and password associated with your Webex account. Once you're on the Webex homepage, you'll take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see several options there, but what you're interested in is the upgrade plan option. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you might be wondering why you're selecting upgrade plan when you intend to cancel. It's a bit counterintuitive, but this option takes you to the billing and subscription management section where you can make changes to your current plan, including cancellation. After you've clicked on upgrade plan, you'll be directed to a new page where you can see all the details about your current subscription. Here, you'll find the option to cancel your subscription. Simply look for the cancel button, which is usually located near your plan details or at the bottom of the page. Clicking this button will initiate the cancellation process. At this point, Webex might ask you to confirm your decision. They might also inquire about the reason for your cancellation. Providing feedback is optional but can be helpful for the service to improve. Once you confirm, your subscription will be set to cancel. Be sure to check for any confirmation messages or emails to ensure the cancellation has been processed correctly. A few things to keep in mind: make sure to cancel at least a few days before your next billing cycle to avoid being charged for the upcoming month. If you have any doubts, double check your account settings to ensure there are no pending charges. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your WebEx subscription. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process a bit easier for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to WebEx support for more detailed help. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.